In this guide, we'll walk you through 4 practical methods to transfer from iPhone to itel. Part 1. How to transfer data from iPhone to itel in one click. The easiest and fastest way to transfer from an iPhone to an itel is by using Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. It supports a wide range of file types, including contacts, messages, photos, music, videos, and more. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your Windows or Mac computer. Launch the software and connect both your iPhone and your itel phone to the computer via USB cables. Step 2. Make sure your iPhone is marked as the source and itel as the destination. Use the flip button if needed. Step 3. Select the data types you want to transfer, then click Start Copy and wait for the process to complete. Part 2. How to move data from iPhone to itel using Switch to Android. If you're setting up a new itel phone, this method allows you to wirelessly move essential data like contacts, calendar, events, and media from your iPhone. However, this method is compatible with Android 12 and later versions. Step 1. Install and set up the Switch to Android app on your iPhone. Open the app, agree to the terms and conditions, and tap Start to begin. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to your new Android device using a QR code or hotspot. Step 3. Choose the files you want to transfer, such as photos, calendars, and more. Step 4. Wait for the transfer to complete, and your files will be successfully copied to your itel phone. Part 3. How to copy data from iPhone to itel with File Explorer. If your priority is to transfer media files such as photos and videos from iPhone to itel, you can do this manually using File Explorer. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a PC using a USB cable and allow access to media files. Step 2. Open this PC and navigate to the DSIM folder on the iPhone. Step 3. Copy your desired photos and videos to a local folder on your computer. Step 4. Now connect your itel phone to the same computer using a USB cable. Step 5. Access the internal storage of the itel device and paste the files into the desired folder like DSIM or pictures. Part 4. How to transfer data from iPhone to itel using Google account. Another easy way to transfer from iPhone to itel is by using a Google account to sync contacts, calendars, and emails. Step 1. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Mail Accounts, Add Account, and choose Google. Step 2. Sign in with your Gmail account and enable sync for contacts, calendars, and mail. Step 3. Wait for the syncing process to finish on the iPhone. Step 4. On your itel phone, log in with the same Google account. Step 5. The sync data will automatically appear on your itel device.